Hello, this is the clock guy. I want to show you a beautiful Art Deco 1954 Westminster Chime Mantel clock. It was made by the Urgos Clock Company in Germany. It is a beautiful sounding clock as well as a beautiful looking clock. The wood is very nice, dark. It's 23 inches wide, 5.5 inches deep, and the dial is 6.5 inches across. That's a really nice Art Deco style with the hands and the face and the numbers. It chimes on the quarter hour. Now to the back. See the date it was built, March 12th, 1954, in the way they write their dates from Germany. There's a very nice brass movement. It has very nice hammer leathers. They're still in beautiful condition. It has a lever in the back to shut the Westminster Chime off if you want to shut it off at night. Let's hear it again. This will be the quarter hour Westminster Chime. The half hour will be 8 notes. The 3/4 hour will be 12 notes. And then on the hour, a 4/4 Westminster will chime 16 notes for the Westminster chime, and then it will count the hour after the Westminster is complete. Urgos Westminster Mantel Clock. This is the clock guy saying thanks for watching.